Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix static noise or crackling sound coming out of your speaker on Dell Inspiron laptop. So if you hear a crackling sound or static noise coming out of your system, then please follow the steps. So go to the Windows search box over here and then type in device manager. Open device manager and then go to sound, video and game controller. Expand this, click on this arrow sign, expand it. Then you can see the Realtek audio over here. Make a right click, click on update driver. Then click on browse my computer for driver software. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select high definition audio device and then click on next. Click on yes. After that it will tell you to restart your computer. So please restart your computer and after that check the sound. I've seen most of the time doing this, fix the static sound coming from the speaker. Now in case the issue still persists, then go to browser. You can open browser, then type in dell.com/support, that is www.dell.com/support. Open this website, enter the service tag number of your computer or the express service code and then click on search. My model number is over here, so I'll open my model number. Go to drivers and downloads, then under the category option select audio and update the audio driver. Just click on download. Exe file will download. Run this exe file to install the audio driver. Now while installing the audio driver, it will tell you to restart your computer. So please restart your computer. After you restart, once you log into your computer, it will again continue the installation and let the installation complete, and then you can check the sound. In case after updating the audio driver also you can hear the crackling or static noise, then again go to dell.com/support, go to drivers and download, then under category click on BIOS, select BIOS and check the version. Okay, and you can check the current version is 1.1.3, which is the latest version released on 9th July. So just check you also have the latest version installed on your computer. So to check that, you simply go to the Windows search box, type in system information. Just type in system information over here, or you can just open the run box by pressing Windows and R on the keyboard and type in ms info. Just click on, just type in run over here, open the run box, type in ms info 32. Over here you can see the BIOS version is 1.1.3, which is the same 1.1.3. so I have the latest one, so I don't have to update the BIOS. In case your BIOS is not up to date, then update the BIOS. Just click on download. A small exe file will download. You have to run this exe file and then update your BIOS. Now while updating the BIOS, just make sure that your laptop battery is more than 10% and the charger, the AC adapter, is connected to your computer. Do not power off the computer while it's updating the BIOS, and disconnect all the external devices from the computer, like external hard drive or flash drive is connected. Just disconnect it and just make sure battery is 10%, more than 10%, and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to your computer while updating the BIOS. And during the BIOS update, the system will restart. Once the update is done, just log into your computer and check your audio. So I hope one of the steps should fix the problem. In case the issue still persists, then there might be some hardware issue with the speaker. So in that case, you can run a support assist over here. The support assist comes pre-installed on your Dell computer. So you can just click on support assist, open the support assist. If you don't have support assist, you can install it. Just type in support assist on Google search and then click on Dell support assist for PC and tablet and go to download option. From here you can download the support assist. Once you have the support assist, open the support assist, click on troubleshooting over here, and then click on go to troubleshooting, then click on I want to troubleshoot my PC. I want to check a specific piece of hardware. Then you can select the sound card over here and then you can run this test. So in case the test complete, if it's successfully passed, then there is nothing wrong with the hardware. In case you see that the sound card has failed, then in that case you can contact Dell and get this issue taken care of. So I hope the hardware failure we should not, we should hope that there is no hardware failure. So just follow the first three steps, that was updating the high definition driver from the device manager, then go for audio driver update, and then you can go for the last one, that is BIOS update. Now during this hardware test of your sound card, you will see this sound interactive test. So you can test your sound. If you click on test, you can hear the sound. Both left and right speaker will play a sound. Now once you hear this sound, just check for that static noise or the crackling sound. So if you hear that crackling sound or static noise, then you can click on fail. If you don't hear a static noise, then click on pass. If you hear a static noise, click on fail. Now once you click on fail, if you hear the static noise, then click on fail. And here you can see sound card test has failed. So in this case, you can contact your Dell technical support and they will take care of the issue. So that will be all from my side. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.